Hey, I hope you all are doing well today. This is Bruce Petro with Ask Handyman Bruce and Home Maintenance Solution. So I want to talk to you on this beautiful spring day. It's actually not spring yet, but it's one of those early days that feels like spring. About outdoor stuff, right? So I used to be an arborist a number of years ago, so I got a little bit of knowledge I can share with you guys, but now's a really good time to do some trimming. Let me flip my camera and show you. So right now it is March 2nd. So if you guys are seeing this video later and wondering when is this that we're talking about, this is a good time to take off lower limbs on your trees. What it does is it gives the wound a maximum time to start healing, because the sap's going to start moving very quickly here soon. So it's just a great time to do it because of that. It heals up quickly, but it also gives the tree a little bit longer to get used to a little more sun on the trunk in this area. If you do it in June or July, you can get sun scald on the bark. So just a couple of things that are nice to help to know. Also, I wanted to show you guys this. This is a wound that happened on this tree. Like we hit it with a mower, I think. But that was about 7 years ago, I think, when that happened. But look at how that wound is still there. Just a little reminder to you guys, like if you use a weed whip or something on the trunk of your trees, you can do some serious damage to the bark. Or if you hit it or bruise it like that with like I've seen kids hit it with a baseball bat, you know, that makes a bruise on the tree that's going to cause a wound. We're hoping this will heal up, and there's a couple things you can do to help with that by what we call bark tracing, like cutting off a little bit of this extra, a little bit of this extra stuff right here. You can trim it back a little bit and allow the wound to heal and grow closed. So there's a few things you can do there to help, and I think this one's going to heal up. But just remember, the trees are susceptible to bruises and damage that way. So alrighty, enjoy some of those things. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll keep giving you more tips as I do things in my life. Also, if you like the video and comment on the video, it helps me. So